Welcome back to my channel. This is DC. Today I'm gonna show some maybe 4 to 5 styles that you could wear while you're having your faux locks. And what I realized in my previous video that I show with me putting these in my hair, the picture of the hair did not show in the video. I don't know why or what happened, but I'm gonna try to find a picture of the hair online and put it in, which is the Cuban twist. But my mom have some hair of the curly hair that I did use, and this is the hair. It's a different color. I did use number 1 in the hair, and I did only use 2 packs of hair. So that's the hair right there. So I'm so sorry that the picture didn't show. For some reason, I didn't watch the video and make sure everything was in the video. And then when I look back on the video on YouTube, I see that the picture was gone. So I'm going to finish with that. And so let's get on into 4 to 5 style that you could do while you're rocking these faux locks. My hair is a mess because I've been rocking this style for a week now, and I'm gonna redo some of the style to show you, so stay tuned. I will see you in my next video. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn your notification bell on. Here's my nosy son. Alright. Bye-bye.